Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code P04F1 in a 2012 to 2017 Honda Accord indicates an issue with the Evaporative Emission EVAP system, specifically identifying low purge flow. This system is critical for reducing harmful emissions from the vehicle by capturing fuel vapors from the fuel tank and sending them to be burned in the engine. The EVAP canister, typically located near the fuel tank, acts as a temporary storage unit for these vapors. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, manages the flow of these vapors by varying the operation of the EVAP canister purge valve. When the EVAP system isn't functioning properly, it can lead to increased emissions, potential fuel leaks, and may trigger the check engine light. Understanding this code is crucial for both emissions control compliance and vehicle performance. The Evaporative Emission EVAP system contains several critical components, the most important being the EVAP canister, purge valve, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The EVAP canister is located in the rear of the vehicle, near the fuel tank, where it temporarily holds fuel vapors. The purge valve, also known as the EVAP canister purge valve, allows these vapors to flow into the engine for combustion. The PCM monitors and controls this process by adjusting the valve's operation based on engine conditions. When the PCM detects a low purge flow rate, it sets the DTC P04F1. This indicates that either there is insufficient purge flow to meet specifications, indicating an issue with the purge valve or the associated sensors. There are several potential causes for DTC P04F1 that mechanics should consider. One could be that the EVAP canister purge valve is stuck in the closed position, preventing any vapor from flowing to the engine. The fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor may also be faulty, failing to provide accurate data to the PCM regarding vapor levels. Additionally, clogged lines within the EVAP system can restrict airflow, resulting in low purging capabilities. Lastly, misinstallation of the EVAP system lines could misdirect or hinder proper airflow, which could trigger this diagnostic code. It's crucial to examine these components closely to identify the root cause effectively. Drivers may observe several symptoms associated with DTC P04F1. The most immediate sign is typically the illumination of the check engine light, signaling an emission-related issue. It may also be possible to detect a fuel odor near the vehicle, which may indicate fuel vapors not being captured correctly. Reduced fuel efficiency could also occur, as the combustion process may not be optimized due to inconsistent vapor flow. These symptoms may vary in severity, but they indicate that the EVAP system is not functioning as intended. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further complications related to emission systems and overall vehicle performance. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P04F1, the technician should first verify if the EVAP canister purge valve is functioning correctly by observing if it opens normally, indicating that no mechanical blockage is present. This can be achieved by monitoring the pulse from the purge valve. It should exhibit a consistent duty cycle as commanded by the PCM during operation. If pulses are detected and the purge flow appears normal, then it can be determined that the valve is operating appropriately. Calculate the output from the FTP sensor as well. If it shows a proper fluctuation during operation, then the system is likely functioning as designed. However, if there is no pulse detected, this may indicate either a failure in the purge flow mechanics or an open state malfunction with the purge valve. In the second troubleshooting step, focus on understanding the no-pulse scenario clearly. If the technician determines that there is no pulse from the EVAP canister purge valve, this points towards either an absence of purging flow or a malfunction where the purge valve might be stuck open. The FTP sensor will provide key data. If it fluctuates from negative to atmospheric pressure upon switching the vehicle off, this suggests the possibility of the purge valve being stuck open. Conversely, if there is no fluctuation observed, it indicates an issue leading to purge flow not achieving the necessary levels, warranting a diagnosis for DTC P04F1. At this stage, it's crucial to classify which components are likely responsible so that targeted repairs can be made. After the completion of repair procedures associated with DTC P04F1, the technician must verify that all repairs have addressed the issue effectively. This involves confirming that all components involved in the EVAP system are functioning correctly and that there are no signs of leaks or blockages. Following successful repairs, the technician should reset the DTC codes using an OBD-I scan tool. Subsequently, a test drive is essential to ensure that the vehicle runs through all necessary driving cycles, allowing the PCM to monitor the EVAP system health. If the check engine light does not illuminate after several runs, the repairs can be considered successful, and the issue should now be resolved. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in ensuring the longevity and proper functionality of the EVAP system. Regular checks of the entire system can help catch potential issues before they escalate into major failures. Inspecting connections to the EVAP canister purge valve is essential, as any loose or corroded connections may affect its operation. Ensuring the integrity of the fuel system is also crucial. This includes checking for leaks or obstructions that could impact vapor flow. Finally, maintain regular service intervals that include diagnostics for the emission system, which can safeguard both vehicle performance and compliance with emissions regulations. In conclusion, understanding diagnostic codes such as P04F1 is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and compliance with emissions standards. The proper functioning of the EVAP system is vital for minimizing fuel vapor emissions, and any interruptions can lead to performance degradation or environmental concerns. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can effectively diagnose and resolve issues within the EVAP system. It is essential to prioritize timely repairs and regular maintenance to prevent potential issues from developing. Implementing a proactive approach to vehicle diagnostics will ensure all systems run smoothly and efficiently, enhancing overall driving experience while meeting regulatory requirements. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.